Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're taking a look at AirPods Pro. Now this is something that I've been using since day one. I've used the original AirPods. I thought that they had a great fit in my ear. Now you have these with these little tips on here. This is a little large size. You can clip them out and you can replace them with medium or small or anything that you want. They fit pretty well in my ear. I'm pretty happy with them. I love the noise cancellation. If you are around New York City or pretty much anywhere, you'll see so many people with either the original AirPods or the new one. And now it's kind of funny that it's almost hard to talk to people because everyone with noise cancellation on is kind of just walking around the city, doing their own thing. And that's kind of what I also like to do as well. I like to get in my own little like bubble and just walk and do and go where I need to and do what I need to do. It's nice and it's convenience that this affords without having to have a big, set of headphones, wired or wireless, that could bulk you down because literally this is AirPods inside here. It's tiny. So what you do, quick recap, you probably know this, pop them in your ear. You can say things like, hello Siri, or what I'm talking about, and you can turn on the noise cancellation. You can do everything that your phone would do if you get Siri. It's extremely helpful. But one thing that I've realized, for me, the original AirPods, they had a great fit. They kind of sat in my ear, but running around and everything, I never felt like they were coming out. Of course, sweat is going to be one thing. If you're working out, running, doing anything like that, it's going to make any headphone slip around a little bit. But one thing that I've noticed, and I hope it's not just me, but I've heard no one else talk about this, is that earwax, the natural just build of earwax kind of makes these slide out of my ear sometimes. Now, not out as in falling, but out as in just loosening a little bit. Now for me, I clean my ears every day, like once a day in the morning. I've done that for my entire life. I never really had an issue. But these, just wearing these, it just makes me feel dirty. It makes me feel like I'm not cleaning my ears enough, which is strange because I think everyone does it once a day, maybe once in the morning, once at night. But here I am kind of doing it in the morning, and I kind of do it midday just so when I wear these, it doesn't kind of slide out. Let me know if you've had the same kind of thing. Comment, let me know anywhere. It's just a little bit of an oddity that I just feel like I have to kind of Q-tip my ears as much as possible so I don't get that kind of slide for the AirPods. Now, I don't honestly remember that slide with other headphones that I've used with these kind of replaceable ear tips. But that may just be me. I mean, all the weight is going to be on the ear tip here. Now, it's not a lot of weight whatsoever. These things weigh basically nothing. But it's just something odd that I've discovered about myself. Maybe I'm not cleaning my ears enough, but I feel like once a day is probably all that you should do. This may be causing people to over clean their ears. Who knows what that means? But just something I thought I would bring up. It's not really an issue. It's just something that I find interesting. But comment in the comment section below. Leave your impressions about the AirPods or AirPods Pro in general. Does the same thing happen to you, where you feel like unclean if you're just doing normal cleaning and having these kind of slide out? But yeah, that's just my thoughts. All right, you can find me on Instagram at m8b9, and you can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.